Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is mayhem. It's pronounced mayhem, and it's spelt M-A-Y-H-E-M. Think May, as in the month of May, and then hem, H-E-M. Mayhem means violent or damaging disorder or chaos. For example, you could say, complete mayhem broke out in the playground at lunchtime, if all the children were behaving badly and chaotically. The word mayhem has a fairly horrible origin. It comes from the word maim, meaning to wound or injure either a person or an animal so that part of their body is permanently damaged. Originally, this was a legal term, used to refer to the crime of maiming a person. But by the 19th century, it was used to refer to any sort of violent disorder, willful damage, or violence. This usage of the word is the same as today, as in, there was mayhem in the streets after the entire city lost power. Just over 55 years ago this month, mayhem erupted in Newcastle at a memorable performance of the Rolling Stones. If you don't know who they are, ask your parents. While the band were performing, multiple overexcited fans threw themselves on the stage and onto the band members. Complete mayhem began as more and more people tried to get onto the stage. Eventually, the music was completely stopped when a bunch of wires were accidentally ripped out by a fan who was running away from the security guards. Now that's mayhem. Mayhem is a noun. For example, you could say there was complete mayhem after the local football team won the league for the first time, if the football fans caused chaos during their celebrations. Or you could say there was mayhem at the shopping centre the week before Christmas, if the shopping centre was filled with chaotic and disorderly shoppers. Mayhem is defined in the dictionary as a situation in which there is little or no order or control, sometimes ending in damage or violence. Mayhem synonyms include chaos, disorder, confusion, havoc, bedlam, pandemonium, uproar, and madness. Antonyms include calmness, peace, peacefulness, and harmony. See if you can notice any mayhem today. It could be at school, if all your classmates are misbehaving, or it could be at home, if your sibling is causing havoc. Either way, try to calm them down and tell them to stop causing such mayhem. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.